here and I want to talk clothes. Now, I love to travel and I also love my clothes, and so many people and will tell you that you should be taking carry-on luggage. Okay, get a capsule wardrobe, get stuff that all matches, and I totally get the logic behind that, but I'm a clothes girl and I like my clothes. I like to look nice. I don't want to be wearing the same outfits over and over again. I don't care how many times you wash them. I don't want photos with the same stuff showing up. And I like variety. I like to dress according to my mood. So one of the things that I do weeks, often months before I go on a big overseas trip is I will put the clothes that I'm thinking of taking onto a separate rack. Now, what that allows me to do is not only to see everything all together, to see how much I've actually got to pack and if it's too much or not, but also it allows me to mix and match different things. So I can go, well, okay, that top's going to go with 3 different things, and that pair of pants can go with all of these other things. So I know that when I pack, I've got stuff that can be worn more than once with multiple different items. So whether it's different, pants, a skirt, whatever that might be. So I just find this a really handy way to pack. We're all different. I will never be a carry-on baggage girl. I like my big Willy suitcase and I like my clothes. And that is just the way I travel. And that's just how it is. And I'm fine with that because I don't have to carry my suitcase. My husband does. Just joking. Sort of, yes, kind of. But yeah, so I just find it really helpful to do this because I think it just makes it easier to sort of edit out your wardrobe. But, you do what works for you. But I find that when you're trying to figure out what to pack, this can be a really simple way to do that. Now, this clothes rack, I think, costs like $10 from Kmart. So it will get used over and over again. But yeah, a really good way of editing out your wardrobe when you are doing a nice big overseas holiday. Hopefully that tip comes in handy, and have fun on your next adventure.